Okay guys, in the last video I just talked about how to get a good press up position by squeezing the abs, squeezing the glutes, tucking the hips forward. Now I want to talk about how to do a proper press up. So most of the time when people do a press up, they actually do just like people would with a bench press. Let's move out of it. Which is where they bring the elbows down like this, put a lot of stress on the shoulders and only engage the pecs, and quite often the whole body sags. So something like this. Pushing the bum up in the air. Yeah, that's a press up, but is it the best press up? Would you want to do hundreds of those? Probably not. Whereas the press up I'm going to show you, I literally did 1,000 within a couple of hours for charity, and I had no problems with joints, no aches, no pains, and it's because it's the same sort of press up you do for a heavy bench press where people have done up to 1,000 pounds, where they really tuck the elbows back and press up. So it puts a lot less pressure on the shoulder, a lot less pressure on the elbow, and actually engages your lat muscles here, your upper back muscles, spreads the load, and makes it a more effective movement, meaning you can do more, do them better, and you're going to get more strength benefits and more performance benefits, and probably a lot more muscle benefits over the whole body. So the difference with this press up is you hold here, you tuck as you would, then you're going to engage your scapula, which will squeeze the shoulder blades together, squeeze the lats together, and actually tuck your elbows in so they come behind you like this, and then they come up. And the difference is that as soon as you squeeze them and tuck them in, is you're really engaging all your lat muscles here, your triceps have got to work much harder, you'll actually get slightly more deltoid involvement. So it's a full body movement now. You're squeezing them in, squeezing your bum, here, down, push. So you can see my elbows stay tucked into my sides. This is a harder press up in some ways, but it's because you're using more back muscles and a little bit less chest, which overall is much better because you'll get more press ups done in the future, which means you can get more chest, more back and more muscles involved. I'll show you again. Elbows tucked in, shoulder blades are going to be engaged, squeezing your bum, squeezing your stomach, down, press. A very different movement indeed. Harder, but once you work on those, you'll soon get better. And that should be something you can cross over then to a bench press, because you tuck the elbows in, pull the bar back like you would on a heavy bench press and press up, rather than just overly stressing the shoulders and finding you get pain through here. Very different. That's the starting point of a good press up. Once you can master about 40, 50 of those, move on to the next movement. But that's all for today.